I'm not Jewish, but I take a Jewish. Yes, yes, dear. I'm Jewish now. I take a Jewish now. I want cold beer. Link me anytime you're someone with you, so right through. So that's jerk chicken. In other words, this is north side jerk chicken. Number one. For life. Here, number one jerk chicken for life, north side. See it down over there, sir. I see the real Diane Dope, sir. Some boy a Dan Dog and Durban and then no reach my stage yet. North side chicken number one.
Kick some of the pan to no man. Come on the pan come.
No, you want to see chicken and pan.
Yeah, man, I can see what I'm going. Very chicken documentary.
Yeah, man, we are just friends. This is a leg and thigh.
Yeah.
This is our breast. And this is rise up number one, not the test.
Yeah.
Only the Dan and Dope on the line. For the whole world, only the Dan and Dope. Some boy are done alone. On the one side.
Catch our good with them.
Look, see how you,
Catch our good.
yeah, it's like that.
We are like that, something like you doing
I must have the water in my hands, so I must have poured it. It's heavy though.
Boy, how much?
Out it.
Yeah, hold the fire, my G.
No, there's someone that say I have to fan it. So I'm not really like it.
No, man, friend can't hold. That will catch back.
You can't catch back, man.
That catch back, get out. Me a roast breadfruit. Roast breadfruit, I will get things on it. Better than bread.
Step on catch on my lion. $11, you bossy.
11.
Let me get bread food. Let me get bread food tonight.
Salmon there.
Get bread food tonight. Bread food tonight.
How much for a quarter?
5 and 600.
I mean, a roast breadfruit doesn't
I'll give him a leg and tie him a dress. He's a big man then at the black guy. Bossy, call him on. Come here. What you need, baby, leg and tie?
Give this in.
I'm not friendly with the man, so I just don't look at this man. The man come around with it.
Open this one, let me see what this is. Last food video in our portrait in the G. It's popular food videos on the channel.
Don't know me, boy. Must be new on the page. Denmark, for those who don't know, right? I wouldn't call myself a jerk chicken connoisseur. I wouldn't, but I've had my fair share of chicken. Perfect jerk chicken. Texture is key. Can't be dry, cannot be flavorless. She said, yeah. Has to fall off the bone in some sense because it takes time to cook, so you don't want it basically just, as some people say, chowy, some people would say. Why I love jerk chicken? Mostly because of the flavor. It's a combination of heat and different seasonings, all that stuff mixed in one chicken, and everybody loves chicken. Can't complain. Yeah. I came back here and stop my number one spot for jerk chicken. My number one spot for jerk chicken, north side. My favorite spot. I try on the roadside before I try after events. North side is number one spot. And I must add also, it's a different feeling you get after your long night out with the friends, chilling. And you're going home, you don't want KFC and you don't want regular fast food stuff. You're walking by and your nose just catch that little. Yeah, Jerk chicken. Once of course it's done properly. Some people rush it and I'm gonna work with that. Don't rush greatness. You get me? Jerk chicken, I say. North side jerk chicken. Down the road. Oh.